Welcome aboard. In this video, I will be giving some warnings about MemeFI. Let's get started right away. After bots like Hamster and TabiZoo, everyone is now waiting for TapSwap and MemeFI. The listing on exchanges for both is quite close. We are expecting MemeFI's listing on October 9th. I have taken my MemeFI account to the highest level. I'm at level 20. Also, I have used all my spins. I still have many boosts that I haven't used yet. Make one last push and upgrade your MemeFI bot as much as you can. Additionally, make sure to use the lottery system that MemeFI has been offering its users for the past few days. If you gather the necessary parts by spinning, you will have a ticket and can participate in the draw. It's worth trying your luck. In crypto, not every project may turn out as we hope. You may have been disappointed many times. For instance, Hamster was a disappointment for many. But remember, even if a project succeeds, it may still be sufficient for some investors. Research the projects and make your own decisions. I research current opportunities for you and explain projects with potential. Opportunities never end in crypto. The important thing is not to give up no matter what. Evaluate experiences and learn something with every new step. We've learned a lot so far, and we will continue to learn. A person grows old the day he stops learning. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.